A new life form could end our world. This week in Manchester, scientists gathered to confront the most dangerous issue biology has ever faced, whether to continue experiments that could unleash mirror life. Mirror life means organisms built from molecules flipped in the opposite direction of every living thing on Earth. Our DNA spirals to the right, proteins fold to the right. Mirror molecules spiral left. They do not fit into our biology, but if assembled into living cells, they could form a rival biosphere inside our own. The danger is catastrophic. Mirror microbes would be invisible to our immune systems. Antibodies would not detect them. Medicines would not work. They could spread silently, consuming and replacing life itself. One lab accident could trigger a chain reaction that nothing on Earth could resist. In the worst case, soil would die as crops collapse in gray dust. Lakes and rivers would fill with lifeless sludge, their ecosystems erased. The oceans, the lungs of the planet, would choke as plankton vanish, shutting down half of Earth's oxygen supply. Animals would be consumed from within, immune systems blind to the invader. Humans would face the same fate, organs failing with no cure, no vaccine, no hope of resistance. Cities would not survive either. Concrete foundations could be infiltrated and broken apart. Bridges, skyscrapers, and homes would crumble like rotting shells. Metals might corrode into powder. Glass towers could be coated in a black reflective sheen, abandoned and lifeless. At Manchester, leading scientists admitted this risk is global and irreversible. Nobel Prize winners have already warned that mirror organisms could cause immense and permanent damage to humanity and the environment. Yet some resisted restrictions, pointing to their use in medicine, a sign of how divided and unprepared we are. The warning signs are already here. NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission found mirror versions of life's building blocks in asteroid dust. Nature can make them. Synthetic biology may soon assemble them. And once that line is crossed, there will be no way back. Mirror life would not just be a discovery, it would be the end of life on Earth.